Hello, welcome to this InsightLearning video. Today we're going to be learning how to use the grid method. So, the grid method is a method that you use for multiplication. Let's start. The first thing I've done is set out my grid. This grid is for a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication. So, second thing I'm going to do is put my multiplication symbol in this box. This is so we know that we're multiplying. Now, we're going to take the first number in the sum, which is 34, and partition it. So 3, the digit 3, which is in the tens column, represents 30. And the digit 4, which is in the units column, represents 4. So 30 is going to go here, and 4 is going to go here. So now let's see the other number in the sum, 26. So we're going to do the same for 26. We're going to partition it just like we did 34. So digit 2 in 26 represents 20, and the digit 6 represents 6. The next thing we're going to do is multiply 20 by 30 and write the answer in this box. So 20 by 30 is 600. So now we've done 20 by 30, now we have to move on and do 20 by 4. 20 by 4 is 80. Now, let's move on to the number 6. Now we do 6 times 30, which is 180. Now we do 6 times 4, that's 24. Now we're going to add up these 4 numbers, these 4 results. So the way I do it is I add up this column, then I add up this column. So I'm going to add this column first, which is 780. So this column, remember, don't add the 30s, the 4s, or the numbers at the top here. Only add up the 4 totals. And then I'm going to add 80 or 24, which gives us 104. So we're going to add 780 and 104, and that gives us 884. So the answer here is 884. Now let's check this with a calculator. So 34 times 26 equals 884. You got that one right? So let's try the next one. The next one we've got here is 48 times 23. So once again, we start off by putting the multiplication sign in this corner square. Then we partition the first number, which is 48. So the 40 would go here, as the digit 4 represents 40, and 8 would go here as the digit 8 represents 8. Now let's do the same with 23. 20 would go here as the digit 2 represents 20, and 3 would go here as the digit 3 represents 3. Now, we're going to do 20 times 40. 2 times 4 is 8, and we add on the zeros. So that's basically gives us the answer to 20 times 40, 800. Now, we're going to do 20 times 8. 20 times 8 is 160. So that goes there. Now we're going to do 3 times 40. 3 times 40 is 120. 120. So that gives us 120. Now, we're going to do 3 times 8. 3 times 8 gives us 24. So we're going to add up these 4 numbers together. So 800 and 120 is 920. 160 at 24 is 184. Now, 920 at 184 is 1,104. So the answer for this sum should be 1,104. Let's check this one again. Oops. 1,104. So this one's correct as well. So let's do our last example on the list. 65 times 12. So we know the drill by now. We put the multiplication sign in the corner. Then we partition 65. So this gives us 60 and 5. Do the same for 12. So the 1 means 10. And the 2 means 2. We multiply 60 by 10, which gives us 600. Multiply 10 by 5, which gives us 50. Multiply 2 by 60, which gives us 120. Multiply 2 by 5, which gives us 10. Add together 600 and 120, which gives us 720. As we have to add up these four numbers all together. Add 50 add 10, which gives us 60. 65 times 12 equals 780. So it's right. So I hope these 3 examples have helped. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.